Hello, guys. Hello, guys. I hope you guys can hear me. I hope I am alive as well. We are watching the market on 1 minute time frame. Yeah, and yeah, we are watching the price action on 1 minute time frame on the Bitcoin chart. It's the 11 o'clock. It's the New York session, opening session already done, and 9:30 New York stock market open. But today everything is closed because today we have the United States Independence Day. So everything is closed today. So I am already anticipating. So that's for that reason I'm already anticipating a sideways price action for the market today. Market may not do nothing today. And if you watch out after the opening 9:30 in this range, market has gone down, but there was no trade in here, no trade in here, no trade in here, no trade in here. Up till now, for me, there is no trade. This is 1 minute time from chart, by the way. We will go to, as market is quite choppy right now, 1 minute time frame. My anticipation on a chart is what? Because it is going down, this is a 15-minute time frame fair value gap as well, this area, and this is 1 minute time frame fair value gap. I'm anticipating these lows. Let's see if it has a potential to knock this low as well, because it is going down, or it is also possible that it could create local bottom at this range and then try to be bullish as well. And then we'll see from this range market is bearish or try to be bullish as well. Quite a bit of possibility that may play it out in here. Could be going down, could go up, then go down, could be aggressively bullish from here, could be aggressively bearish from here. So when there are too much probabilities and the possibilities, it's better to sit still and watch and observe, and then we will do our anticipation by the time on charts. This is how it is. I'm watching and observing the charts right now. Yeah, I have to do quite a bit of things. Yeah, yeah. For today, yeah, I really have to upload my shot today. We have done the video. I have to do check for sounds, and then everything. I hope everything should be fine. And this is how it is. I'm watching and observing the charts right now. Like, does it has a potential to go down from here? Let's see. And yeah, we have to do some shopping, man. I have to buy some shirts from. footwears, all that, everything. Yeah, to buy some shirts, and then also, yeah, I don't like his sports direct shoes, by the way. I like JD. The JD have good shoes. Sportsman t-shirts, £7, £5. At another quality for the summer sale is up on everywhere right now. Trading is boring, man. It is always going to be boring. Yeah, we have discussed everything on 1 minute time frame, and I really wanted to go into just more of like bigger picture time frame as well, to try to tell you guys like how it could perform. Market could perform from here. This has been quite bullish price action at this range, very sideways price action. It was more for like toppy. Market went down from here. I was anticipating these lows to be knocked off, but it went aggressively toward upper side from here. And we're trading very close to the previous all-time high from here, these highs. That is the reason for the market to be bullish from here. This is the daily fair value gap. Yesterday it has created. Definitely, as this is bullish, overall we're bullish. We're trading close to previous all-time highs. We would anticipate from this range to be bullish to knock all of those highs from here. Today as well, I was anticipating from the market to be bullish from here. Try to knock all of those highs. The only reason is why market will not be bullish from this range all the way toward upper side. Try to knock all of those highs is the reason for the fact that today is a holiday on US. Just everything is closed in the US, and then we have seen that it has a real effect. Everything has a real effect on charts, because smart money is not trading today, most probably. So that's why we can anticipate sideways, more of like downward side per second from the market. There may be no as such a volume on our charts to push the price toward all-time high from May. If this week market failed to knock the all-time high, next week we will anticipate from the market to be knocked off. But it is also possible that it has to left all of those highs in play and create another top at this range, and then maybe major pullback toward low levels as well. In that case scenario, if it went down invert this daily fair value gap, then we can anticipate major pullback toward low levels as well from here. So these are the probabilities and the possibilities right now I am anticipating or expecting from the market to do on a shorter term time frame that may played out anytime. May played out, maybe not played out. These are the just probabilities or the anticipation on just 4 hour time frame as well. This is 4 hour time frame gap, market daily fair value gap as well. So I would anticipate on this 4 hour time frame, market should have to be bullish from here and try to knock all of those. As 1 hour time frame, we have this fair value gap it has created. It should have to invert this fair value gap and try to be bullish. The only reason market may not be aggressively bullish is we have to know about the fact that today is holiday on the charts going on, and then today is US Independence Day, so it is holiday everywhere, so market may not do nothing as well on today's per second. Look at this, just I've been watching this per second early in the morning as well. Like we was trading at this range, by the way. Was trading at this range. I was looking for these highs to be knocked off. When it did knock those, I was like continuation toward upper side. from this range, but market show rejection from there, come back down. I was like, this range, you can anticipate these local lows to be knocked off, but this is the 4 hour time frame high. This is the daily favorable gap as well. It could knock this low as well. It went down all of a sudden, all the way to the upper side. I left the charts, and then it after that it was trading at this range. It was not at all an ideal trade, I would say that, but yeah, there was no trade actually on charts for today. For me, could have been a trade in here this week on 5 minute time frame. This week, if you're bearish, but we have to know this is a 4 hour time fairly gap, daily fairly gap. At this range, you are already bullish. So who knows? But definitely you can go for a short. The reason is this low, and market may have to spend some time to inside this range as well. Maybe 50% of the daily favorable gap as well could be your trade as well on charts. But I could not be able to take that trade. I was not in front of the charts. And this week I have not at all taken any single trade. Monday, I was at my job, could not be able to take that trade. Tuesday, I did not take trade today, Tuesday as well. I was sleeping here. On Tuesday as well, I did not trade. Monday was this one. Tuesday was short from here. Afternoon session as well, it was short. Wednesday was this buy in here. Thursday was sideways, and Friday as well, more for like sideways. There could have been a very good couple of 2 3 trades. This is what it is I was thinking about. I got to know that this could have been a trade on a charts when it already happened. Like this could have been a trade after analyzing, after recapping. If when you do recap to the charts, then you got to know that now, oh, this could have been a trade. But when you're in front of the charts, you have like millions of things going on. You don't know what time you have to push the buttons, what time you don't, and there are millions of things. Like it is difficult to predict that. This is what it is. I really wants to know that in advance. I really wants to know that which way market could go from here, how it could perform, and all of those probabilities and the possibilities. We should have to know about that as well. This is what it is I was thinking about. I'm not at all serious on my trading. I miss the move just because I'm completely irrational when it comes to trading. Literally irrational. Waste quite a bit of time on doing irrational things, and yeah, so that's why I did not cannot be able to make money on trading up till now. I sleep when I have to be in front of the chart. I work when I have to be not to be in front of the charts, and that's how irrationally I push myself to do irrational things. And then when it comes to trading, I'm pushing myself the buttons when there is nothing on a chart. Like market has to do nothing. This is what it is I really have to do. I have to align everything in my life, everything according to the charts, considering or thinking about how smart money would be thinking about right now, how would they approach the price action right now from here. All those things, I really have to think about them. I really have to work on them actually. Like I'm very irrational right now, and I have not done practice as well. I have done no practice at all. And yeah, how you can win from those people who have practiced, doing practice for ages and ages, and then you have just started your career and have not practiced yet. So this is very important as well. Practice, continue to have a strong impact, and practice as well. So this is how it is, guys. I think this live stream will be very boring today. I have to quit this live stream. I'll see you guys on Monday, Maybe in late afternoon. I have a job on Monday morning time, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah. So it is very boring right now. Like, I don't think so. There will be an ideal trade for me right now. Yes, this is a fair value gap. I'm anticipating this low could be knocked off. If this low could be knocked off, we can continue to be bearish as well. We can hold this area chart if we go to the upper side as well. Maybe this could be the low, this could be the low. From here, market chart to bounce for those highs and this fair value gap, or maybe those highs as well. So quite a bit of possibilities right now that may play it out. Could be aggressively bullish, could be aggressively bearish, could do this, could do that as well. Quite a bit of possibilities and the probabilities that may play it out. We don't know which way, but that's why in that case scenario you sit still, watch, observe the charts, and then you understand, try to understand the element of time, which is very important in trading, and then try to think like what smart money would have been doing right now, and what most of the people's psychology would have been on charts right now. This is how it is. I wanted to discuss with you guys, and this is how these people operate. You have to keep yourself aligned. Just keep yourself aligned with what the smart money or big players are doing right now on charts. This is how it is, guys. And then, yep, we'll finish this live stream, and I'll see you guys on Monday. And I'll let you know for Monday morning session live stream, or maybe afternoon session as well. And take care. Bye.